When we look at why investors continue to invest with us, the main and ultimate reason is diversification for their personal investments. But the reasons they invest with us is because they're taking a look at our track record, they're taking a look at partnering with us, and they're taking a look at our communication. We are investing right alongside of you, our investors. So we own typically around 10% of every project that we roll out. So when we're making a distribution, either cash flow, a refinance, or a sale at the end, when we're paying you, we're also paying us at Roers Companies. That's number one. Number two, we talked about, is our track record. We have been very successful in selling our properties and disposing of those for our investors. We have beat the stock market rate of return, and it's not something that we sold investors on. In fact, we always said we would not do the rates of return like the stock market, but we hoped for less volatility, the fact that you're investing in a hard asset and we're doing it for a stream of income. Along with it are the tax advantages and other benefits. The third piece is really our communication. We've prided ourselves beyond belief on that. It's something that we've worked on because we've been on the other side of the table where we invested in other people or businesses or properties and then didn't know what was going on. So when you invest with Roers, you will get a communication that will show you the progress of construction while the property is being built. That'll include pictures for those of you who like pictures versus words. Secondly, inside of that, we will show you the leasing progress that we've had when we start to lease up that property, which is prior to its opening date. And then the last piece of that is, once the property is filled up and stabilized, we will continue to send you quarterly updates to show you what's happening with the project, both verbally, written as to what we're working on and what is going well, and what we continue to have opportunities and maybe challenges with. And the last piece of that is, we'll show you the financials and everything that you need to see as it relates from the financial perspective of how that property is operating.